jokester of the group stood up and exclaimed, "I see the moon sees me," causing everyone to burst into laughter as they all began to chant along, spinning tales of the moon's adventures. Giggles under the stars.
This AI video you just watched was created using this AI tool. So if you are looking to upload content on your Facebook Reel, YouTube Shorts, Instagram or TikTok, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you easy steps on how to create content using this app. So let's go straight to the video. Don't forget to hit that like button if you find value in this video. Subscribe to my channel if today is your first time coming to this channel. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. For my wonderful returning subscribers, I say a very big thank you for being part of the community. So step 1, go to this app, select your character style. There are tons of characters you can choose from depending on what you want to do. Then step 2, select your voice. Your choice of voice depending on your video you want to make as well. Don't worry, this app I'm going to send the link to get it. I'm going to drop the link in the description below so you can get access to it. So I've selected my choice of voice that I want to use. Then step 3, choose your music background and then enter your prompt. Then in this place, I prefer choosing either 30 seconds duration or 45 seconds for better result. So you can see in that place in this duration I have 45 seconds and then the prompt. I will drop the prompt in the description below so that you can use the example to create your own content. So once you are done creating, or once you are done entering your prompt, then you click generate and it will automatically generate. So that is it. You can see it generating, and once that is done, your video will show up and you will have the option to either change the image type if you don't want. If there is an image in the video clip that you don't like, you can actually change it from the options there, and once you are done, you click on export and the video will be exported very sharp. So that is it. If you love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. You can also drop your comment in the comment section. If there's anything you want me to make video about, I will do well to answer you. So see you in my next video.